Èdè àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo ibi tí a bá ti láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ mi tó bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody ò gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. Ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ sọ yìí.
If I'm angry, you know. If I'm happy, you know. So will I fit in? The scandals will come. The travails will come. The temptations will come. You cannot be perfect.
Kí ló dé jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ dàpọ̀ náà kò ń wá sílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Iná lè kọ́ Yorùbá náà kan ti kí ìdálé kí bíbù tí wọ́n pààrọ̀ sáré. Ó lè pọ́ ọmọ àfa. Ó lè pọ́ ọmọ léèké wá àfa kí wèrè má ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àdúgbò. Ó lè pọ́ ọmọ àfa débi pé ó máa pọ́ ọmọ babaláwo wàhálà máa ṣẹlẹ̀.
Lónìí ṣe pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí Zazuze. Láìpẹ́ ni mo rí right of Portable níbi tó tún bu ẹnu àtẹ́ lu àwọn pásítọ̀ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà wípé wọn kò sọ kankan lórí ìkọlù tó wáyé sí àwọn Kristẹni ní ìlú Jos ní ìpínlẹ̀ Plateau. Portable sọ̀rọ̀ ó fi ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ránṣẹ́ sí gbogbo àwọn pásítọ̀ yìí pé àwọn pásítọ̀ ni wọ́n lo bulletproof car síbẹ̀ wọ́n pa àwọn ọmọ lẹ́yìn wọn. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ti mùsùlùmí pé tó bá jẹ́ àwọn mùsùlùmí náà ni wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ṣe bí wọ́n ṣe ní fi ohùn léde náà nìyẹn. Portable sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ohun tí èmi kọ̀ rí nínú ọ̀rọ̀ Portable sọ yìí ni wípé kì í ṣe ní ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn tí ń drag àwọn gbajúgbajà òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà tí àwọn nǹkan bí èyí bá ṣẹlẹ̀. Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ Portable ó mẹ́nuba genocide ìkọlù sí àwọn Kristẹni ní orílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká gbàgbé o wípé ọ̀rọ̀ genocide yìí òun ni pásítọ̀ kan fi di ìlú mọ̀ọ́ká ní ìgbà náà nígbà tí ó sọ dímọ̀ pé wọ́n kọlù àwọn Kristẹni ó dẹ̀ ń pọ̀ jù. Ẹ má gbàgbé o wípé ẹni tí ń ṣe Sheikh Ahmad Gumi sọ dímọ̀ pé kò sóhun tó jọ tó fi di wípé pásítọ̀ yìí ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ó gbéná wojú Gumi pé kí ni ó mean kí ló ń sọ nígbà tí àwọn èèyàn kan kọlù àwọn Kristẹni. Ní báyìí èmi fẹ́ sọ di mímọ̀ wípé ó dà pé pásítọ̀ yìí Portable ti yọ kúrò lára àwọn ènìyàn tí wọ́n kọ̀ láti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí nítorí pásítọ̀ yìí ké tọ̀tàn ní ìgbà náà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ wọn kọlù àwọn Kristẹni wọn ò kọlù àwọn Kristẹni bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé ní ìgbà kan wọ́n sọ pé kò sóhun tó jọ. Ẹ̀yin náà mọ̀ náà ẹ mọ̀ wípé ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà nígbà kan wọ́n ní gbogbo wa ń bára wa ṣe nínú ìrẹ́pọ̀. Nítòótọ́ àwọn arábí yìí tí wọ́n kọlù àwọn Kristẹni wọ́n fi ṣé ká sọ wípé wọ́n fi ẹ̀sìn bójú ni àbí kí ni ká pe ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn arábí yìí nítorí wípé bàbá bí àwọn ẹlẹ́sìn Islam wọ́n ní kò sí nínú Quran kò sí nínú ìwé alápọ̀nlé Quran wípé kí wọ́n máa kọlù ọmọlàkejì. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà nínú ìwé ẹlẹ́sìn mímọ́ Bíbélì kò sóhun tó jọ wípé kí àwọn Kristẹni máa kọlù àwọn mùsùlùmí. Ohun tó bí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ yìí òun ni bí Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí Zazuze bí ó ṣe pé gbogbo àwọn òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run pásítọ̀ lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan wípé ọjọ́ Sunday ní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kò dẹ̀ tí ì sí pásítọ̀ kankan tó jáde lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí àbí ká sọ wípé wọ́n jáde ni. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ di mímọ̀ lásìkò yìí wípé èmi rí àjọ CAN àjọ ọmọlẹ́yìn Kristi lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà tí wọ́n jáde wípé ó ti tó gẹ́ o àwọn ò fẹ́ ṣe ìdárò àwọn èèyàn mọ́ àwọn ò fẹ́ sin àwọn èèyàn mọ́ tí ikú wọn wá láti ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí tí ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn gbàgbọ́ wípé Fúlàní ni wọ́n. Ṣé báwa náà gbọ́ níbi ètò ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ kan èyí tí VDM very dark man ṣe pẹ̀lú olórí ọ̀dọ́ ìlú náà ló fi sọ dímọ̀ pé àwọn arábí yìí wọ́n fi nǹkan bojú wọ́n múra bí ẹlẹ́sìn mùsùlùmí tí wọ́n sì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣekú pa àwọn ènìyàn lọ́jọ́ tí àwọn èèyàn ọjọ́ Palm Sunday náà ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Portable sọ èmi ò ní fẹ́ jẹ́ kí a sọ wípé kò mọ ohun tí ó ń sọ. Tá a bá bí ó ní nǹkan tó rí ṣebí gbogbo alájọ wà lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà àwọn celebrity lọ́lọ́kọ̀ òjọ̀kan Kúnlé Rẹ̀mí Mr Macaroni Ọpẹ́yẹmí Ayọ̀ọ́lá àwọn èèyàn jankan-jankan bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n jáde lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣùgbọ́n síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ àwọn òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run àwọn pásítọ̀ lótìtọ́ wọ́n lè má dìde àdúrà ní ilé ìjọsìn wọn lọ́lọ́kọ̀ òjọ̀kan wípé kí Ọlọ́run bá wa dá gbogbo ọwọ́ nǹkan wọ̀nyí kó dá bá wa dá dúró kó dẹ̀ tú àṣírí àwọn ẹni ibi wọ̀nyí ṣùgbọ́n kò tán síbẹ̀ àdúrà nìkan kan ò ṣe é bí kò ṣe wípé kí wọ́n fi ohùn léde kí wọ́n bá wa sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ní ìtùbínùbí sí àwọn tí ọ̀rọ̀ náà kàn kí wọ́n lè gbé ìgbésẹ̀ ọlọ́gbọ́n lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí nítorí pé a lè lajúlẹ̀ kí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Portable ọmọ Ọlálọ́mí tẹ́ bá bí mi ó rí sọ ìgbà kan ló sọ wípé nínú orin ẹ̀kan pastor no wan go heaven pastor no wan go heaven ó ti pẹ́ tó ti ń rí sí àwọn pastor yìí wípé wọ́n lo ọkọ̀ tí ń ta ọta dànù bulletproof car síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ ìkú ń pa àwọn ọmọ lẹ́yìn wọn irú àpẹẹrẹ wo rere wo náà fi sílẹ̀. ẹ má jẹ́ ká gbàgbé bó ṣe wà ní ti kìrìsìtẹ́nì náà ló wà ní ti mùsùlùmí. Portable kọ̀ jẹ́ ọmọ tó jẹ́ wípé kò wojú anybody á fún wọn ní back to back. Portable mi ò ní sọ pé ò rí sọ o nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ ìwọ náà fi ọgbọ̀ngbọ́n dá sí. Ẹni bá tabà kó má fi ṣèbínú kó tún bẹ̀ ṣe ni. Òrùn tó ń bẹ lókè yóò sì tó aṣọ gbẹ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ké gbàjarì láti rí pé àtúnṣe ó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ó jáde lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
Hello, ẹ̀yin pastor, ẹ jáde o. Now they dey kill people for church now. Ẹ sì jọ́sìn ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì mi ṣé àwọn pastor yẹn they cannot lead protest. Wọ́n owó offering lè máa ń gbà o. Òun nìyẹn wọ́n pààyàn sí jọ́s. Ṣé very dark man na pastor? Ọ̀nà pààyàn sí jọ́sì ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì. Very dark man dey come outside. Ó yá ọ̀dẹ̀ tí yé mé Tinubu come mé Tinubu no do birthday. Àwọn people yìí ẹ o. Bàbá bímọ ọtí ló máa mu, bàbá bá kú ọtí ló máa mu. Ó ti yẹn bíyàn bá kú ńkọ́ ọtí ló máa mu, bàbá dẹ̀ bímọ náà ọtí ló máa mu. Òun gbé ndé bẹ́yẹn. Ẹ̀yin bá ń sinmi ó lọ fà pásọ̀ no wan go heaven. Ó yá pásọ̀ fẹ́ kú fọ́mọ ọjọ́. Wọ́n pààyàn sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì. Pásọ̀ dà pásọ̀ yẹn dà yóò kò lè lead protest yọpa pásọ̀ náà ni. Ọ̀nà pààyàn sí jọ́s ní ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì. Pásọ̀ yẹn dà yẹ gbọ́ pààyàn sáyége náà ni justice for ọmọ ayége o. Tẹ́ bá ní president ní jọ́s. Ó yá we need president appearance for Agege too. Ebi pa àwọn èèyàn láyége lọ́sẹ̀ bá àwọn ọjà. Ọmọ ìyá bára wọn jà ọmọ bẹ́rẹ̀ bára wọn jà lórí pípa àwọn ẹkọ́nọ́mì lóko lórí bọ́sì. Wọ́n ní sá ọ̀dọ̀ ẹnìkan ló fi sí sáà nìkan lájẹ́gùn fẹ́ sí ní òkú fẹ́ pa àyín sá. Ẹ̀yin bá ń sinmi ó ti yẹn o tẹ́ bá ní di president lápá òun yẹn náà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá we need food o na food dey make us fight o fight each other abẹ́ yà wẹ̀ ó bá yà ẹ̀ máa lọ gbé àwọn story tó ti kú máa lọ gbé jáde máa fi bá ẹ̀yin bá sọ̀rọ̀ máa ń gba free yẹn. Sàgádó sáré ẹ̀ wọ́n pààyàn sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ẹni kí president jáde ṣé president ló ń gbowó free ni ọ̀nà pààyàn sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ẹni kí Tinubu máa bọ̀ kí ló dé ṣé bàbá tó rẹ̀ sí lọ́wọ́ ṣé kí pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì má gbádùn mọ́ ni pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ dé ẹlọ́pàá àtijọ́ tó yà o kò ṣe jọ́sìn nìkan ló pààyàn sí o wọ́n pààyàn ságége náà agbọ́gbọ́ pààyàn ságége náà àgbọ́ pápá pópópópópó là ń gbọ́ ó ti yẹn tó bá kọjá pápá náà wọ́n pààyàn síbẹ̀ náà ẹ̀mọ́ àdúgbò tó pààyàn sílẹ̀ Yorùbá dáa pé kíni ìbájọ́ ti jẹ́ ẹ̀rẹ́ máa fi nǹkan bá pàtí onípàtí jẹ́ kó ní ọ̀tọ̀ ní onípàtí tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ dé ọ̀tọ̀ lẹ́yìn tó ló ń sọ burúkú ẹ̀yin máa ń sinmi kanibọ̀dì ẹ má ba orúkọ pẹ́sidẹ́ǹtì wa jẹ́ o bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lẹ́ni epo wọn ṣẹ́ gbọ̀ pé ìrànà ti Amẹ́ríkà ń jà ni ẹni Tinubu ló jẹ́ kéko wọn ṣé Tinubu lòó lọ́wọ́ kó tó jẹ pẹ́sidẹ́ǹtì ni yóò ṣe ń jẹ́ ìwọ̀n mẹ́rin náà ẹ wò àánú ní ìdí justice ní Agége o wọ́n ṣe justice nìkan lọ́pàá sí wọn pààyàn sí Agége náà ó ti yẹ pààyàn sílẹ̀ Yorùbá náà ló ṣe àwọn adẹ́dúró tán. Kí ló dé pásítọ̀ ní wọn kó ẹ fún again pásítọ̀ lè kú fọ́mọ ọjọ́ àbíkọ́ máa lo mọ́tò bọ̀gìnì kí ló dé ẹ̀yin máa ń sinmi pásítọ̀ lè use bulletproof car àwọn ọmọ ọjọ́ tọ́pa wọ́n ti lọ àbí pásítọ̀ dà ṣé pásítọ̀ lè lead protest pásítọ̀ lè lọ síwájú ilé president kó lọ sọ pé wọ́n pa àwọn ọmọ ọjọ́ wọn ọ́fìn ilẹ̀ mọ̀gbà wọ́n lè jagun àwọn ànábì jagun lórí ó lè pọ́ máa fa ó lè pọ́ ọmọ léèké wá fa kí wèrè má ṣẹlẹ̀ ní àdúgbò ó lè pọ́ máa fa débi pé ó máa pọ́ ọmọ babaláwo. ogun ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ dé ń pé wọ́n pààyàn sí jọ́sì jágbàgbọ́ pààyàn sí Agége náà ni justice for Agége people too àwọn ọmọ tó kú láyége náà lókè very dark man ó gbọ́ pààyàn sí Agége ni pé àwọn ọmọ kan wọ́n yọra àwọn brother kí brother ó gbọ́ àbí ókè tí jọ́sì nìkan lè rí ókè ní kí ó ní pati má ṣe pati kó ní bẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣé wájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ló pààyàn sí ni ṣé wájú ilé ló pààyàn sí ni ẹ ká iná ìbẹ́ ilẹ̀ ń jà wájú ilé ní jẹ́ kí pẹ́jẹ́tì má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ni ìwájú pẹ́jẹ́tì ló pààyàn sí ni ẹ mọ̀ kọ́tà ṣe o. ẹ wo ọkọ mi lẹ́yìn pásọ̀ ń jẹun ṣé kí pásọ̀ mú mi ṣé kí pásọ̀ sì wọ mọ́tò ẹ̀yin máa ń sinmi ṣé pẹ́jẹ́tì náà ló fà á ṣé kó fi wọ́n fẹ́ òkè Tinubu náà ló kọ́ sí ìran problem àbí àti USA ó yá Tinubu náà ló kọ́ sí sáwọn fi ń jà sí ìran problem àbí àti USA ó yá Tinubu náà ló kọ́ sí sáwọn fi ń jà ẹ̀ ń ṣe èrè tó ẹ̀ yá wèrè tó bá yá ẹ̀ ní pé wọ́n pààyàn sílé iṣẹ́ Tinubu náà ni ó fà ẹ̀ máa ba pẹ́jẹ́tì jẹ́ òkú fẹ́ pa yín ṣé Tinubu ló bá wọn pàṣẹ ọgbà fún ìmọ̀ nínú pàṣẹ de youth park ní ọkọ̀ ọmọ ọjọ́ de fẹsẹ̀ wá ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì ìdá mẹ́wàá ogun ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé pàṣẹ tán ṣé bí we believe in you ṣé God dey ó yá face war dey face war dey God dey ṣé bí we believe in you na God dey lead us for pastor abi pastor ṣe fẹ́ lead wa nípa believe nínú yín ni ń gbọ́ lọ́wọ́ wa pé war náà dey nínú ogun lògo wa nínú ogun lògo wa ẹ̀yẹ káwọn pastor náà kọ́ jagun ẹ̀yẹ káwọn pastor kọ́ dìbò.
ìyẹn jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Portable ọ̀rọ̀ Funke Akindele TOYIN ABRAHAM àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bu ẹnu àtẹ́lu Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ni mo ní bá sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ gbọ́ àtẹ̀jáde kan ẹ rí àtẹ̀jáde kan tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fi léde ń pé òun ti gbìyànjú láti rí wípé gbogbo àwòye ó rodò ó lọ mọmi nígbà tóun bá wọn parí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ní ìgbà náà òun àwọn àti ẹni tọ́rọ̀ kàn àwọn jọ gba ìtọ́ ara wọn dá mi pé àwọn ò tún gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe àwọn ìwà kan ní ìta gbangba tá tó fi jẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí jẹyọ síta nínú write-up yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ bí èèyàn ti ṣe rí wípé TOYIN ABRAHAM ló tàpá sí òfin tó fi di wípé Funke Akindele ó wu irúfẹ́ ìwà yẹn sí lọ́jọ́ tí wọ́n lọ ṣe movie premiere. Àwọn èèyàn kan sọ wípé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń yọra rẹ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá bi mí, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó náà ó gbìyànjú. A lè fipá mú ẹṣin dòdò ṣùgbọ́n a lè fipá fún lómi mu ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí láàrin TOYIN ABRAHAM àti Funke Akindele. Kódà Madam Sajẹ tí wọ́n dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ náà, ayé bu ẹnu àtẹ́lù wọn. Eléyìí jẹ́ kí àwọn nǹkan kan hàn dájúdájú lágbo àwọn òṣèré tíátà. So àgbàdo mọ́dì kó wá rí àárín fi adìyẹ. Ọ̀pọ̀ nǹkan làwọn èèyàn ti ń sọ nípa agbo àwọn òṣèré. Èyí tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ láìpẹ́ yìí ó tún jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn kan máa ní ẹ̀rí àrídájú pé àṣà sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n kàn sí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tí ọ̀rọ̀ kàn lágbo òṣèré tíátà yìí. Ẹ má kọ̀ máa tutọ́ funfun síta kẹ́ máa fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ sínú. Why don't you do the needful? Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rí rèé. Funke Akindele sọ nǹkan kan lórí ètò Morayo. Mi bá láǹfààní láti lè mú wá fún yín, màá mú wá fún yín. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ní ṣe pẹ̀lú bí ìwà rẹ̀ gangan ń bó ṣe rí tí ò dẹ̀ fi ìgbà kankan rò wípé òun ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa. Ayé ń sọ di mímọ̀ fún Funke Akindele. TOYIN ABRAHAM náà wọ́n sọ tiẹ̀ fún. Ṣùgbọ́n dídákẹ́ tí àwọn èèyàn kan dákẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kọ́. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká di ẹbí ẹrù lé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Òun náà ti gbìyànjú ohun tó ń lọ lábẹ́lẹ̀. Mélòó nínú wa ló mọ̀? Ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọ̀nà àbáyọ bí àwọn méjèèjì yìí bí wọ́n ṣe máa di ọ̀rẹ́ àbí pàdé padà nítorí tí eléyìí bá ń bá eléyìí lọ. Tí èyí bá ń lọ bẹ́ẹ̀, a máa jẹ́ kí ògiri yẹn lanu sí. Ẹ wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ni máa rí oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí. Tí o bá fẹ́ dàbí everybody, o gbọ́dọ̀ máa ronú bí everybody. Èmi tún sọ tèmi o, mo tún dákẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé yín débi tí Funke Akindele sọ ọ̀rọ̀ kan lórí ètò Morayo. And I want you to listen to this láti wá gbé yẹ̀wò sí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yìí lórí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí gangan. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a bá wọn débẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ń rẹ̀, má gbàgbé láti comment, kẹ́dẹ̀ share, kẹ́dẹ̀ like nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó lágbára ni o. Portable ẹ̀gbọ́n ohun tó sọ. Ó ránṣẹ́ sí gbogbo àwọn pásítọ̀ wípé kí wọ́n yé dákẹ́ mọ́, kí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ sókè lórí ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dé ọ̀dọ̀ Funke Akindele.
Intentionality for me, I'm very, very on it. I'm very consistent with what I'm doing. I believe if you must do it right. I tell relatable stories.
There's a mic behind you, just in case. I think I'm not hearing you properly. There's a mic next to you.
Okay.
Just in case, yeah.
Okay, let me use that. I tell relatable stories. Stories that everybody will see themselves in it. When you watch it, you'll be like, oh, I know someone like this. Real stories, real humor, real life. The characters are so animated. You feel like, oh, I know someone like this person. So I make sure I keep up with that. I keep telling relatable stories. And quality is very important for me. The production has to be quality. I have to be consistent with it. I have to be disciplined, I put a lot into it, a lot of
fantastic. So when you are seeing those numbers, the opening weekend numbers at the box office, and you're like, my break, how did you celebrate? Well, like, what happened? What did you and your team do? They just screaming, they shouting.
I must say, Mariah, we're very happy, excited. But yes, we celebrated, made the calls, we had parties, but we didn't celebrate for too long. Because you see these records, that's not the final destination.
Yeah.
You have to keep up with the hard work. You have to be consistent. So it's like a notch, like, girl, get back to work. Let the work be working.
Exactly.
You're not at the final destination.
Yes, I love it. So we are known for also helping lots of young talents. You always raise people. A lot of people can say, my start was from Funke Akindele. Who is the most memorable young actress that you mentored? And what is that thing you told that person to do? And maybe the person did not do it. Like, give me just a scenario of one person.
Okay, there are a lot of them. And as sweet as I am, I'm very strict. I'm very, very strict.
Don't take nonsense.
No. I am me. I'm real. I'm very real. I believe if you want to do something, you must do it well. Give it your all. No distractions. And when the distraction comes, you should have people around you to tell you, you're not doing it right. And you must listen. Because I listen too.
Right.
I don't like the yes ma people around me. I want people that will tell
challenge
me
you
and see what you are doing. I know. Because even my content creator, my videographer, will correct me and see that top way where no correct, no change.
Yeah.
My PA will say, no ma, I'm sorry. You have to wear your waist cincher. That's the kind of life I live. So if you want to work with me, you must be able to listen. Yeah. So I have lots of young talents like that will say, some will be like, Hala is too much, safe. Why is she doing this now? For example, Scarlett Gomez, she's a fantastic actress. She's very good. But when she came on set of behind the scenes, she dropped everything. And Toby Bakri, they came empty to be filled up. No airs around them, especially Toby. I said, this is how I want it to be done. And they listened. And I didn't even know one or two of them grumbled. So when we went to London for the premiere, one of them said, not Toby or Scarlett, he said, auntie, at some point when you say, cash expression, you I'll be like, why is she saying this? Why is she saying that she's saying this line? But now, all the moments you said they would clap in the hall, when we're in the hall watching, they clapped. They reacted that way. Oh, auntie, you know your onions. Oh, auntie, this is, I said, that is why I tell you to do it this way. So
Fantastic.
It's all about impacting.
Yeah.
That's it for me.
I love that. So tell us a bit about Funke Akindele's hobbies. When you are not grinding, when you're not in the movie, like is it like you're eating in the house, you're watching Netflix? So what exactly are you doing now? You're MNST? Are you just chilling?
Okay, this is it. Let me just tell you my routine. Everything around me, I have work, I have family, and my crew members around me. So when I'm not working, I'm either sleeping, relaxing. But ever since I found out that sleeping in the afternoon, it has no benefit.
You make sure.
Yeah, so I stopped.
Sure. Oh.
I stopped sleeping in the afternoon. Because if you sleep in the afternoon, there's no benefit. So when I found out, like, so why am I wasting 2 hours to nap? Let me open my eyes. Is that night 7 hours, 8 hours that is important?
Yeah.
So I can watch movies, I read books, I play with the twins, they tell me stories.
Wow.
My nephews, my niece, my siblings. My siblings are my G's.
Your sister is a gem.
They're my G's, we G's, and my PAs, my staff. I'm actually their comedian. I'll be giving them G's. Oh my God, they love it when I start dramatizing. They'll see that I'll be laughing. So that's what I do when I'm not working.
So let's talk about friendship.
Thank you.
People say it's lonely at the top. Does producing and directing take emotional toll on you? And I'm saying that because as somebody, you have like a mentor who guides you when you're emotionally down.
Okay, let me break it down. Let me start with saying it's actually lonely at the top. Because if you want to remain at the top, you have to be guided. You really need to be disciplined. There are lots of no's that you have to say than yes. You need to protect your mental health. It's going to be very boring for you because you won't have friends. Because for someone like me, I'm just too disciplined. Sometimes I'm afraid of myself. Like Funke, like I'm too disciplined that if I'm not doing anything, I'm in my house. I will not go to the party. I will not go to the club. It's not that going to the party is bad. But I would rather think of the next script. I'm too on it. And I pray I remain like that in Jesus' name. So, thank you. It's pretty lonely as a celebrity that wants to remain at the top. The scandals will come. The travails will come. The temptations will come. You cannot have it perfect. But you have to keep your head up. And it will be lonely while you're keeping your head up. Now, as a director-producer, I'm doing a lot, but I have competent hands that I work with. My producers, my co-producers, my co-director, line producers, they help me a lot.
Help you support.
And whenever I'm down like that, I just look through Tyler Perry's page. I read about Tyler Perry because that's my role model. You know, that's my mentor. Like, let me just put it like that. I actually understudied Tyler Perry. I learned how to write from watching Tyler Perry's movies.
Nice.
I didn't go to school to learn. I learned from Tyler Perry's movies.
That's good to know.
So I just look at it. How does he live his life? It's boring for that man. You know, then when I feel like I'm too down or I'm not doing anything, I look at Moabudu. She still represents.
Yes, and she's moving.
She will be working, but she will still look good.
Yeah.
And Timo, you can never catch her on fresh. She's still fine and doing a dance, attending events, happy. I'm like, pick that part of her and go back to work. So I balance with that.
So I was going to talk about friendship for a moment because Funke comes across to us as somebody that is in two extremes. You love hard. If you love somebody, Funke loves you to die. Like you can do anything. And the far right, somebody annoys you, you can totally cut the person off like 100%. So what experiences in your life produce that Funke that we know that is both extremes, that doesn't take nonsense, but can love hard also?
Morayo, I must say, I'm not proud of that. And I'm proud of it. There must be a balance. And I thank God for someone like Uzi Usman in my life. There was a day Uzi sat to me that I said, when I was complaining, I said, Uzi, she will see, say this one now. They go say, I don't start again. She will see, this one, say what he do. Number one, they see what this boy doing no good. But number one, you be leader. You go to accept people as them be. No be every door you go to close, number one. You go just leave them, put them for a place.
Yeah.
And for the first time, I sat down. I was quiet. I left my food. Uzi was eating his own food. He said, you know, go chop the chicken, I go chop them all. I said, then he saw my eyes gloomy. He said, what's wrong? You won't cry? I said, yes. I said, the thing where you talk not true. I go try to they manage.
Fantastic.
I'm an extremist. I love so hard. I'm real, Morayo. I'm like this. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm not perfect.
Yeah.
I can be troublesome. Yes, I can be. I'm tough.
Yeah.
If I want you to do something, my mom was alive. She remind me, Funke, everybody's not as smart as you, as fast as you. Calm down.
Yes.
It's good, but calm down. So human relationship for me is very important. And I'm learning every day.
Yeah.
But note, no matter what happens, my mental health
It's
is
priority.
very important. I know I'm getting older.
Yeah.
So
Fantastic. You talked about your mom right now. I mean, how has you have your mom help you. I know we heard that story before. But the support system you have, your sister, your siblings, you know, you have that close relationship. How have you sustained it with your fame? Is that what brings you back down to base? Like, listen, we are just siblings. I'm not Funke Akindele, you know, out there. I'm just me.
Okay, first I must say, as a mother, you should always pray that your children should be united. My mom will always pray. She will say, Oluwa, ba mi down mommy si. Je kon wa obi osusu owo. Je ka won mo mi laanu mi kon laanu ara won. It's very important. You should pray over that. I think Thank you. I think my mom scored a big goal on that. My mom worked hard on that. We are united. We will fight. We will fight your presence. When you see me, I'll be the lecturer. Sister, you got to show your mama. You defend Papa. Oh, yeah, leave me alone. And the next minute I'm sitting, I'm like, remember what mommy said before she passed on? No matter what happened,
We've come together. I love
it
it.
together.
So you've conquered Nollywood. You have conquered even the celebrity lifestyle. Like, there's no other person like you. Is there another industry you are hoping to conquer soon that you want to tell us on this show?
Firstly, it's global expansion.
Global expansion.
Yes, global expansion. I want to keep telling my African stories, you know, my relatable stories, taking it to the global space. I will remain authentic.
I love that.
I will remain authentic.
Fantastic.
But I'll make sure that the elements, everything put together, they can relate with it globally. And it's time for us to get into that space. Not just to compete, but to own our own space globally.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
Global collaborations.
Yes.
You know, global platforms.
Yeah.
I want to do more about that.
Fantastic.
I want to go for
Wishing you
film
the best.
festivals and the rest.
Okay, when you walked inside here, you could tell that you have a true following, organic, that people really love you. You have a following that cuts across middle to low class, everywhere, top to bottom. You have strong following. Now, there's no politician in this world that doesn't desire that. Should we still look forward to you at some point trying politics again?
Ryo, I try my best to be very real, authentic, to speak the truth. I'm not going to cover up for the camera, you know. I love that space because I want to make a change.
Politics. Okay.
Yes, I feel if I'm there, you know, the women will be seeing more, children will be taken care of more, the youth to be off the streets. It can't be perfect.
Yeah.
Every other country has their own problems.
True.
We're trying in Nigeria.
True.
You understand? I want to, I desire.
Oh.
But when I look at the space again, what I went through, it was a lot.
Yeah.
It will mess with your mental health.
True.
If you're not strong. There are lots of lies. And Murayo, don't forget, I don't like lies. If I'm angry, you know. If I'm happy, you know. So will I fit in? Let's leave it for God. But truly, I want to make a change.
Fantastic.
Politically, I want to lend my voice. Serve. I want to serve. I desire to
Would you
serve.
vote for Funke Akindele?
ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀ ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.